However I feel like it. I'd probably get bored. Probably diced.
Garlic, peppers, hash browns, mushrooms.
So it looks like a mountain man we're getting ready to make.
Something
But
like
is
that.
it? Hot roast breakfast hash. Okay.
It's what? Pot roast.
That's what it says.
Excellent. Where's the meat?
Right here.
All right.
So just cutting out the core, the
Correct.
veins and the seeds. Okay.
It's not jalapeno, so we're getting rid of the badness.
So no heat to worry about with those.
No jalapenos this morning. I did bring Frank's for Steve because I know how he rolls.
Yep, I must have hot sauce.
Although we do have banana peppers for lunch.
Sounds good. It's not much for lunch.
Wraps, banana peppers,
So we need to add a protein?
several types of meats. The Dutch oven moving. Get that heated up. Hit it with a little olive oil and toss the all-important protein cow in there.
Excellent. So Mr. West, how long have you been cooking Dutch oven style?
7-8 years.
Do you have a favorite recipe?
Pioneer carrot cake.
Now that comes in a box, right?
Oh no, from scratch. You've all had my Pioneer carrot cake. That's good. That's good. Mountain Man's good. I kind of like chicken pot pie too, but personally, it's easy.
What about jambalaya?
That's good too.
Oh, I think so.
Although that's not, I don't typically, I do it in a Dutch, but it's typically just done on the stove. White chicken chili's good too.
You got there.
Homegrown garlic. Lots of it.
You grew that at your house.
I did. I have about 120 heads that are about a foot tall right now.
So what kind of meat we have, Mr. West?
We have some basically stew meat, beef, chopped up. We're going to toss that in that Dutch oven. Then I put some oil in there heating up. And we're going to let this brown up a bit. And then we're going to throw the onions, green pepper, and the garlic in. Let that go. Maybe throw a little butter in there just because we can. We're going to let this brown up a bit. Oh yeah. Let that fat render down.
Got meat flying all over the place.
Now, I noticed you're using a wood utensil. Is that just a coincidence, or is there a reason
No,
for that?
no coincidence. You're using a cast iron. If you want to use wood or plastic, I like the bamboo just because it won't scrape the surface and you don't ruin the patina. The blacker it is, the better.
What do we got going on?
Yeah, it should boiling like crazy right now.
Well, ambient temperature's what, in the high 20s?
Yeah, no kidding.
That's boiling.
Gavin, okay. So this water's going to be really hot.
See, so we can.
Hopefully we have the gloves. Make sure we clean everything.
I'm intrigued.
So we obviously
Like a steak, man.
You had me at rub.
Of course I did. About ready for the onions and stuff.
Here comes the loving. Ready? Bam.
You could make shoe leather good and put all that stuff in it.
You could, yeah, absolutely.
That's a lot of loving in there.
Yep.
Yeah, it was all done.
Travis, you're filming again.
Again.
How's she looking?
So we're adding mushrooms.
What kind of mushrooms are those?
I have no idea. They're mushrooms. They're shrooms. Fungus.
Fungus, right?
And we have hash brown potatoes.
Southern style hash brown potatoes.
Yes.
I don't know. I guess it'll work way up north.
What's that?
I guess they'll work way up north.
No, we'll find out. Is there a reason why you put the mushrooms in at this point and not with the vegetables that we put in earlier?
Not really, other than because I felt like it, and the mushrooms are a little more
Quicker?
tender. You
Yeah.
know, they won't break. Hopefully, they won't break down as much. But we'll see. Oh yeah.
There we go. Now we have something.
Guys, we need a tray.
Okay, so
Feed me like a little bird.
does anyone need a
The homemade buttermilk biscuits
Yes,
going
the
on.
homemade buttermilk biscuits out of the tube. Oh my God, that smells good. No photos.
The two bags are in here, don't skate.
Thinking that is just about
There.
a couple more minutes and we'll just pull it off, take the heat off the Dutch. And,
It's time to turn so you don't burn.
yep.
you know where your hash browns are at?
Oh, you said to keep cooking them.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, that's done. There we go.
You've joined the club of PJ. Now he cooks it too. The hash browns.
And just a little bit.
No meal's complete without.
There we go. That's all that's left.
All right, so what's the verdict then?
I'd do it again. Maybe a few changes, but
Apparently the guys would too.
maybe a few changes, but I'd do this again.
What would you tweak?
Does he knock the...
I'd probably try to cook the potatoes separate from the meat, or at least try to brown them before I throw them in, just because they were frozen. Maybe do those first and then throw the meat in, or do the meat and then do the potatoes, just so they were, just so it was separate. But otherwise, I like it. I like the Montreal steak sauce on it, or the Montreal seasoning. That was tasty, and it did not need cheese.
It's almost health food.
Almost. No, not really.
Here, what are we doing here?
Well, we put some water in there, in that beautiful pot roast Mountain Man,
Right.
and we boiled it, and that'll loosen everything up.
Put soapy water in there?
Nope.
Why not?
Because the soap will take the black, carbon black off, which is a nice non-stick surface, or otherwise, in this way it'll be.
Okay.
And then to finish up, we're going to hit it while the pot's still hot. A little bit of olive oil. I'm just going to wipe that around. And that'll, the olive oil, because the pot's hot, will get sucked into the metal, and then it keeps it nice and keeps it from rusting. And next time, your food will come right out.